Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this meditation, we will be taking a conscious step back from the enhancement of social media, tuning back into this immediate reality and setting an intention to use social media more mindfully. To begin this practice, take a moment to close your eyes and settle into a comfortable seated position. Elongate your spine, let your shoulders drop, and then draw your attention to the earth or seat beneath you. For a few moments, just allow your body to sink in here as your crown reaches up towards the ceiling. And then shift your attention to the breath as you begin to note what it feels like to breathe. What does it feel like when air enters your nostrils and then fills your belly? What does it feel like when the air leaves you, when the stomach or chest softens and the breath departs? Without looking for anything in particular, simply open your awareness to the beauty of the breath's simplicity. If the mind wanders at any point during this meditation, simply notice this movement before rerouting your attention to the breath or the guidance offered. Let your inhalations create more space within you, and allow your exhalations to free you of any thoughts or attachments that do not serve you in this moment. Spend just a few more moments minding the breath on your own now. And when we come out of the silence, we will explore what it means to practice social media distancing. Begin now by considering the saying that goes, "There is no Wi-Fi in the forest, but I promise you'll find a better connection." When it comes to social distancing, it is not necessary that we head to a dense and secluded forest. However, these words remind us of the fact that sometimes we need to disconnect in order to reconnect. Social media and related technologies have become a centerpiece of our daily lives. And while these tools indeed provide us with many benefits, our overuse and reliance upon them comes at a cost. Research is beginning to uncover the link between social media usage and experiences such as anxiety, depression, and low self-esteem. However, we do not necessarily need to rely on numbers and statistics in order to assess how overuse of social media makes us feel. All we need to do is to take a moment to question how we feel mentally and emotionally when we spend hours mindlessly scrolling. Social media distancing is not a suggestion that we should step away from our social networks entirely. However, it is indeed an invitation for us to make a bit more space between ourselves and these streams. We can do this by intentionally coming back into the breath and the body whenever we find ourselves caught up in the online world. Even just 3 minutes of mindful breath awareness can help to recenter and reground us. So, I invite you to take a moment now to come back into your body by minding the breath. As each breath enters you, envision it moving slowly and steadily down your spine until it reaches your tailbone. And as each breath slowly departs, imagine it tracing the spine all the way back up and out. Inhaling and watching the breath move gracefully into the tailbone. And then exhaling as you observe it gliding back into the atmosphere. You can let your breath return to its natural rhythm now, as you open your awareness to note what it feels like to be right here in this moment. Become mindful of any physical sensations you might be experiencing and thoughts moving through you. Note that there is nothing more real than this present moment. Whatever might be happening in the world of social media is simply a projection. Open yourself instead to the peace of being fully present to your own reality. Note that there is nothing you need to do or to achieve in this moment. You are allowed and encouraged just to be present. Now, before we end this meditation, I invite you to take a moment to set an intention, in your own words, to engage more mindfully with social media, or to practice social media distancing whenever you feel that it is negatively impacting your well-being. Now, come back to the breath for just a few more grounding cycles. Mind the ebb and flow of this life force with complete presence. Note the earth beneath you as well now. And when you are ready, gently open your eyes to the real world around you. I hope you enjoyed today's meditation. See you again.